Next question. Three different tankers contain 496 liters, 403 liters, 713 liters of milk. Find the maximum. Maximum means greatest. Greatest means largest. Means all the numbers, all the words, okay, go in same direction. Means we have to find greatest. Very important thing. Maximum. That means SCF. So find the maximum capacity of container that can measure the milk of any tanker on exact on the times. So we have to find out again what SCF. So let's start. So we have to write down SCF of 496, 403 and 713. Okay. Now first of all find out 496. 496 divisible by 2, 2 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 1 carry 16, 2 8 is 16. Speed 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Increase your speed, otherwise very 2 3 21, 3 7 ja 7 1 ja. Again this is divisible by 403. So 3 1 ja 3, 10. This is not divisible by. Now actually this is a bigger number. Now this all the numbers we have to solve. This all the numbers you have to solve not in this method because some problem come. That's why I have to solve by division method. You have, when you find out SCF, then find by division method. Actually this is divisible by 13. So 13 3 ja 13 3 ja 39 and 1 carry 13, 13 1 ja. Now 31 is a prime number, that's why you have to 31. If you see here, observe, then here some problem mistake is come. 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4. Okay, and here divisible by 2 again. So you can write out 331. 331 is there, and this is 31 and this is 1. Okay, and this is not. Okay, some mistake is there. Now 713. This is divisible by, you don't know, but I will tell you, 23. This is divisible directly 23. Other no number will come. 23, 31, and this is 31. That's why I'll tell you this question you have to try to solve in division method. Now write down 496 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 31. Here 403 is equal to 13 multiply 31. Here 713 is equal to 23 multiply 31. Now if you observe which number is the common number, obviously 31. In each and every case 31 coming. That's why you can say highest common factor is equal to 31. That is the answer. So you can say find the maximum amount of capacity. Yes, 31 is the maximum capacity of a container. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. This is very important question, so be careful. Find the largest number. Find the largest number that divides 220, 313, 716 living remainder 3 in each case. Living remainder, how many 3 in each case? So we have to subtract first of all. After that we have to find out what SCF, because largest number. So we'll do now here properly. Which are the numbers 220, 313 and 716, 220. So we have to subtract like this. Okay, wait. 220 minus 3, that is your 117. After that, how many? 313 minus 3, that is your 310. 3, that is your 713. Okay. Now we have to find out SCF. So SCF of 117, 310, 217. Okay, now 217 here. Okay, now let's start. We have to use division method. So 310 write down here, 217, 1 ja 217. Okay, now subtraction, 3 is there, 1 minus carry. Okay, 0, 10 minus 1, that is your 9. Now 93 remainder again convert into divisor, and 217 convert into dividend. So 93 how many times? Obviously 2 times. 186. 7 minus 6, 1 is there. 11 minus 8, 11 minus 8, how many? Not 11. Yes, 11. Wait. 11 minus 8, that is your 3, and 2 minus 1. Sorry, 2 minus carry 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So here 93 again convert into dividend, and 31 how many times? 3 times. So your answer is 93. Now 31 is the divisor. You know this method. 31 convert into as a divisor, and remaining number 713, that is. Now again start divide. 13 2 ja 62. 71 minus 62, 9 is there. Okay, completed. 31 3 ja 93. So your answer is 31. So you can say HCF of this is 31. Okay, this is the answer. At last I will tell you 31 is the number that is exactly divisible by this all the numbers. If you check, then all the numbers are divisible by 31. That's why you can say the largest required number is 31. Okay, so first thing you have to subtract 3, because in your question says reminder you have to live करना है, उसको छोड़ देना है. How many? 3. That's why we will write down like this way. After that we have to find out the SCF of all the numbers, and that is the answer of this question. Okay, thank you.